Wow, so we're already up to episode 20. By the time this plane flies, this is going to be a 3,600 episode video series. But what you're seeing here actually happened over the course of 2 days or 2 evenings, about an hour each night. And this is fitting and mounting the plastic tips on the flaperons, on the outboard flaperon sections. And this is not too bad. Um, the instructions do tell you to cut a sizable. They tell you to cut a 3 millimeter notch out of the front of the plastic tip. You actually cut about a 30 millimeter notch out of the front. That lets it butt up real close to the skin on the leading edge. And I did that, and after you fiddle with it for a while, and to get it all into place, and once you fiddle with it for a while, you get it all figured out. And one thing I wanted to do was this plastic is very thin, and I did not trust rivets to be the only thing holding it on with nothing underneath the plastic. So I grabbed a couple of old L angles that I had laying around, cut them up into backing plates that I basically used a Gorilla Glue to glue the backing plates to the inside of the black plastic tips there, and and that way when I rivet those, the rivets are actually through the plastic tip and then through the backing plate and acts like a giant washer essentially to spread out the clamping power. And I think that'll just be a whole lot better.